Russian volunteer corps strike again on the territory of the Russian Federation. As Information points out, someone fired at a vehicle in the Bryansk People's Republic and killed a FSB lieutenant colonel yesterday. Meanwhile, the following cryptic message appeared on the RDK, Russian Volunteer Corps channel, along with the photos. While a charity auction was going on in Vilnius, the RDK sabotage and reconnaissance group was moving towards its goal and successfully ambushed enemy transport in the Bryansk region. A video of objective control will be posted later. Glory to RDK. Glory to Rus. The Russian Volunteer Corps fights in the ranks of Ukrainian military, and their goal is to free Russia from Putin's rule. This is how frontline positions look like. The small forest is burned to the ground. Occupiers destroy everything, no matter it was created by nature or by man. 58th Motorized Brigade.
Чего? Думаешь? Все, показывай. Ага.
Unheard of just 6 months ago, with Russians now pushed back, Ukrainian forces cross the Dnipro River like it's a pleasure cruise. This are good news. Ukraine will soon receive the third Patriot system, Air Force spokesman Yuri Ignat said.
Сьогодні на бойовому чергуванні. Зараз було оголошено, що Німеччина буде надавати ще один.
Digital control panel of the Mi-17V5 attack transport helicopter donated by the United States, which is in service with the armed forces of Ukraine.
Ай, клас! Удачі, хлопці, дякую!
After visiting Kazakhstan, Putin went to the headquarters of the Southern Military District in Rostov, which Prigozhin seized in June. Gerasimov and Shoigu, both looking sad, accompanied him. What do you think they talked about?
Все, таким классом. Никуда не нужно идти.
A Ukrainian defender rescued a jay that got tangled up in explosive tripwire. He fed it and made sure the jay survived. It is a war jay now, he says.
На розтяжці, блядь, птичка повісила. Ну от як так вийшло, га? Блядь, то вона ще жива, оказується. Давай, попий. Виживай, блядь, щоб все нормально було. Вже сидить. О. Понеслась. Ну все, хай тут поживе, да? Бач, він поняв, де води попить. Сойка звичайна. Ні, не звичайна, воєнна. Бойовий український сокіл.
And for the end, something else. Drone footage of 2 USAF F-15Es leveling a weapons storage facility in eastern Syria used by Iran's IRGC and affiliated groups yesterday.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.